Do you sleep in on weekends or do you wake up early? Your weekend sleep habits might be helping you or hurting you. Stay with us and practice this natural English conversation while learning healthy sleep tips.
Discussing weekend sleep habits. Hi, Daniel. How do you usually spend your weekends?
Hi, Emma. I usually sleep a little longer because I do not have to wake up early for work.
That sounds relaxing. What time do you usually wake up on Saturdays?
I normally wake up around 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning.
That is much later than your weekday schedule, isn't it?
Yes. During the week, I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning.
Do you think sleeping longer on weekends helps you feel refreshed?
Yes, it gives my body extra time to recover from a busy week.
I also enjoy sleeping in, but I try not to wake up too late.
That is a good idea because keeping a regular sleep schedule is healthy.
What time do you usually go to bed on Friday night?
I often stay up until about 11 o'clock because I watch movies or read books.
I like reading before bed because it helps me relax.
I agree because reading makes my mind calm after a stressful day.
Do you ever take an afternoon nap on weekends?
Yes, I sometimes take a short nap for about 20 minutes.
Does a short nap make you feel more energetic?
Yes, it helps me feel awake without making it difficult to sleep at night.
I once took a 2-hour nap and I could not fall asleep later.
That happens to many people when they nap for too long.
Do you drink coffee on weekend evenings?
No, I avoid coffee after dinner because it keeps me awake.
That is a smart habit because caffeine can affect sleep quality.
Exactly. So I usually drink warm herbal tea instead.
I enjoy a cup of warm milk before going to bed.
Warm milk is also a comforting bedtime drink.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
I try not to because the bright screen makes it harder to fall asleep.
I have the same problem, so I put my phone away 30 minutes before bed.
That is an excellent habit that I want to follow.
What do you usually do after waking up on weekends?
I stretch my body, open the windows, and enjoy the fresh morning air.
That sounds like a peaceful way to begin the day.
It really helps me feel positive and ready for the weekend.
Do you ever sleep until noon?
Not usually, because I do not want to waste the whole day.
I agree, because weekends are perfect for relaxing and enjoying hobbies.
Yes, I like spending time with my family and going for a walk.
Walking outside also helps me sleep better at night.
Fresh air and light exercise are good for both the body and the mind.
Do you ever have trouble sleeping on Sunday night?
Sometimes I do, because I start thinking about Monday morning.
Many people feel that way before the new week begins.
I try to prepare everything on Sunday afternoon to reduce stress.
That is a great idea because good preparation helps us feel more relaxed.
I also avoid heavy meals before bedtime on Sundays.
Healthy eating can make a big difference in sleep quality.
Yes, I always feel better after eating a light dinner.
My goal is to keep healthy sleep habits every weekend.
That is a wonderful goal because good sleep improves our health.
I also want to wake up naturally without using an alarm clock.
That usually happens when you get enough sleep every night.
Thank you for sharing your weekend sleep habits with me.
You are welcome. I enjoyed talking about this interesting topic.
I learned several useful ideas that I want to try this weekend.
I hope those habits help you sleep better and feel happier.
I am sure they will make my weekends healthier and more relaxing.
Good sleep gives us more energy to enjoy our free time.
Let's continue practicing healthy sleep habits together.
Great idea! Have a wonderful weekend and sleep well every night.